Hey guys, back at the garden. So, this past weekend, I know I had uploaded something the other day in regards to our new neighbor, the neighborhood groundhog or hogs. I'm not sure if it's one or more, and the devastation they were causing, and our temporary solution. So, I'll give you one example. This bed right here, as soon as you come in the entrance, even though I had this deer netting up, groundhog sat up on here, pushed the netting forward, and dug up carrots. Okay? I didn't mess with it. I let it be. One of the other gardeners informed me they saw the groundhog. But as you guys know, in our community bed here, this big community bed, I come in this morning and ye old groundhog has dug up and ate every single one of the carrots that we had. I don't remember exactly how many, but as you see, there is absolutely nothing left to the carrots. Green stalk, that's all that's left. Devastating. And as I explored around a little bit further, I think you guys knew about this in one of my previous videos. The groundhog actually devastated this broccoli right here, devastated the kale right there, then devastated all of the collards back here. Then I noticed this morning these beans are plucked. There's a couple leaves here and there, but if I scroll around, you can see all of these beans have been eaten. Just sitting up here on this ledge, eating away. So, another gardener, he and I talked with each other, and I have actually just put in place, right there on the outside of the fence, a humane trap. We got some tomatoes in there, we got some collards in there, some peaches, and 2 plums, I believe. So nice and sweet. We'll see if that's going to be effective. It's about 1:45 here in the afternoon. I just set it about an hour ago. Went and grabbed lunch. Figure I'd just, being overzealous, come back and see if we caught anything. Nothing yet, but what I did notice in this far bed back here, not only are the tomatoes pulled over, but these broccoli are picked clean. Look at that. Every single leaf on these 3 plants, there's a little bit left back there. But on the bed adjacent, the kale seems okay back there, but these broccoli, there's nothing left to that broccoli. Plucked it all the way down to the stems. So, I'm going to take a break. We're going to have storms. Forgive me if this video is kind of windy. We're supposed to have storms blowing in this afternoon, so I think that might be affecting the audio on this video a little bit, but regardless, we are attempting to trap the groundhog, maybe plural, we'll see. I have another trap that I can set, but I want to see if we can at least catch one for now. I'm pretty sure I've only seen that one. From my experience, there's normally at least 2, sometimes a family, but I am almost certain the one that I've seen, same size, comes in and out of the garden from the exact same location, which is actually out there along the fence line. So a lot of traffic, doesn't seem to bother the groundhog. It's an urban groundhog, and he or she is completely comfortable in this space with all the noise and sirens and traffic and everything else. You guys saw the other day, I was sitting under the canopy back there, having a drink of water, stood up, and the groundhog was just munching away on the kale, completely oblivious to me, could care less if I was standing there or not. So this is that groundhog's environment. I get it. I totally understand. So we're going to go ahead and get out of this awful, awful heat wave that we're experiencing here. And then it's supposed to have storms later this afternoon. So we'll see. Groundhog, buffet is wide open inside of that trap. Don't touch the rest of the garden. You have all the fruit and veggies you want just inside that trap. Make sure you close the door behind you. So I'll come back in a little while, maybe about 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. Hopefully we have an update. We'll see. See you guys soon.